just two people. Some people tend to just have to doing double cleansing. They dehydrate. It's key here. The hydrating is supposed to bring back light to your glow all over again. After it has dried, you see that there's some kind of glow on my face. It's like it's shimmery, it's like it's oily, but it is mostly from the product because there was no oil or anything on my face, and it is not going to give your makeup any bad effect. It's rather going to make makeup, or even if you're not going to go a day without makeup, it's going to make it a little bit glow throughout the day. In with a 77 clear pad, I'm going to use it to clear the areas I need to clear. Mostly I use it on my T-zones because that's where I mostly have oil at. So that's my T-zones. My nose, which I sweat a lot on and I'm oiling on mostly. And then I'll come to my cheek areas where if I'm putting on makeup, I don't want to have too much shine because I'm an oily skin person, and after doing makeup for some hours, it just tends to become very, very, even after the cleansing, you can see the dead everything there. See, it will be very oily after some 2 hours of doing makeup. I'm very active, you can see the oil. Focus on the area where I know we are going to oil. A little under my eye because I have this is supposed to control your pores. Those with bigger pores, you know, some people have big pores. You can see them, you can practically see them, like it's all open on the face. If you want to have a glass skin, this is what you go for. This is it. It's used to clean out the pores and for oily skin. And in fact, there is this theory we have about oil skins don't have to use too much oil products on their skin. Sometimes I bet the fact that you need something to put together, two things that don't meet, you need to put them together and they work fine. And with this, it works on both oily skin and both dry skin. So you can use it whether you are oily or you are not oily. You can just go ahead and use it to cleanse your face. And it's mostly used during mornings and evenings. I know this page, people know me too. So if you are in Brazil, and I don't know, with every process you take or every step you take, you still get something off your face. I had a page where I don't. Oh, let me start with a toner. So I'm pressing the whole thing into my skin. Let me know the kind of content you like to see on my page, because I would like to refurbish it, rebrand myself. So this is a correcting serum which is supposed to help clear all dark spots. And don't forget, this product you can use them twice, that's morning and evening. If you want a quick action, it's good to use them morning and evening, and you can find it on a serum from them. This does everything. So guys, you just have to check them out. And please, I stand by my word because I knew how my face was. I stopped doing to go in with my serum from Kosas. Yeah, the snail serum. Yes, that's it. So just one pump is okay. I leave no place with this product. I make sure it really penetrates the skin. So So now I'm going to go in. After this, I just leave it in, just like I said. Every time you apply anything, you just make sure to get the effect, you need to let the product sit and penetrate your face. Let it do its magic before you put another product on, because when you keep piling them up, it doesn't get a chance to perform its duties. You understand? Yes. So this is what I'm going to apply now. That's their cream, snail cream, Kusa snail cream. So here, first push it into the cream, and then I do my rubbing. Before, people used to say, just tap, 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 sister. Tap, tap, tap doesn't do anything for me. I need to use my hand to. Going to go in with my ordinary under eye serum. I use it under my eye for the puffiness and for the darkness provided. So that's my face react in a weird ways, like it's burning or something. Like when I put a little, I don't know, the feeling it. This is another product. It is very good. It's very underrated, but it is very good. This is Cetaphil, right? I just saw it and I said, let me just give it a try. Guys, even if I have a scar, the last time I got a burn from oil and then I place it on it, 2 days the scar like vanished. That's Cetaphil Healthy Radiance Renewing Cream. It's supposed to brighten your complex and then take out blackheads. That's the main purpose of the cream, and it's very shampoo cleanser to cleanse my face. And then I use the annual and I use the toucher, but don't sleep on Cetaphil. It's everything. I'm telling you guys, it's everything. I'm not all the products I'm showing you here, they work 100% for me as an oily skin girl. So I would tell you, I'm not going to just come and sit here and just do, guys. Now this I want. So you can see all the dark spots on my face. So let's give this ourselves 1 month and see. So do that. And so this is from Glow Recipe. Just a little, guys, because our eyes are sensitive. So if you put more than enough, you're going to feel sometimes. That's for me because I have an eye problem, so it's too much. So the final step for my skincare routine is my lip balm. I did the lips. This is okay for me to go a day without if I'm not going to do any makeup. So